Welcome back. Walking around the parade ground is an open invitation for a risk. The track that the locals use for jogging or a morning walk is actually a gutter covered with concrete blocks. Some are shaking, some are broken, some are left wide open. The track is so narrow that two can't move at a time. No lights for a walk in the wee hours. The renovated parade complex is closed for locals and people are left to struggle. It's all happening in Deputy CM's constituency. Watch report.
Exercise is a matter of everyday risk at Parade Ground in The ground is closed after it was renovated for the Lusophonia Games, and now locals have to opt a risky track situated outside the ground for a walk. The track is actually a gutter covered with concrete slabs, and there is no guarantee about the quality of these slabs, as some are shaking while some are damaged and some are missing, leaving a wide hollow hole for walkers to risk their life. This is the scene in the VRs. The track becomes more dangerous as there is no proper lighting. The darkness makes the exercise still more risky affair. Locals are highly upset at this lethargy by the authorities. Some of them suggest that the track inside the parade ground complex should be kept open for at least 2 hours each in morning and in the evening.
म्हणजे लादयो म्हणजे ते एक्चुअली प्रिका सिमेंट स्लॅब्स ते म्हाका थोड्या तेंपान भंय आसा की तेय तुटून पडटले आनी कोण तरी भितर पांय पडटलो कोणाचो तरी ती आतां क्वॉलिटी बद्दल उलयना पूण त्यो लादयो पयल्या कळटा एक दीस ताजें कितें तरी जावपाचें आसा.
रातच्यो पयल्यो ज्यो हांगा लायटी आसात न्हय त्यो लायटी नाशिल्ल्या कारणान हांगा लोकांक भोंवपाक पयलो त्रास जाता. दुसरें हें करपाचें दुसरें आतां लोकांक रातचें काळोखा खातीर भितर चलपाक मेळना भायरसून लोक बाबडे बेगीन येता आनी वतात. ग्रावंड कसो तो लोकांक ताणें फ्री दवरचो एटलीस्ट मॉर्निंग 2 hours आनी इवनिंग 2 hours. लॅम्पाच्यो लायटी ज्यो आसा तश्यो वाटेन घालून ताणें क्लियर करून सगळें सोडचें.
The state of affairs is more worrying as it's all happening in Deputy CM's constituency and Chief Minister's hometown.
डेप्युटी CM आनी आमचो CM मनोहर पर्रीकर हे आमचे म्हापशेचे आनी इन अराउंड सराउंडींग टू द म्हापसा म्हणजे बार्डेस एरियेक असो एकूय ग्राउंड ना. वयरसून उडकी मारता आनी ट्रॅकार वयतात. फाल्यां एकट्याचो चेडवाचो कोणाचो चेड्याचो पांय मोडलो जाल्यार एक स्पोर्ट्समॅनाचें करियर पिड्ड्यार जालें.
When you see the locals speaking to us, there are almost 4 to 5 people waiting behind as there is not enough width for the track for the people to pass by.
आणि ताका लागून एक भंय उरता की पांय झप करून भितर फातर मोडून ती भितर वचत काय म्हणून ट्रॅक हांगा करचो जसो ताणें पणजे आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डेव्हलपमेंट केल्या तशी म्हापशांनी करची. म्हापशान कोणूच पळयना हांगासर.
While the state government spends crores on sports infrastructures like Lusophonia Games, it is failing to provide basic recreational facility like a walking or a jogging track for the visitors. The story isn't different for the locals across the state, where the traditional recreational places and the grounds have been taken over by the state for the national games infrastructure. Will the thing come on a right track? Omkar Ferrari for Prudent.
Hearing on Goa Government's appeal in Samir Mapari murder case is in final stage. Prosecution and defence have concluded their main arguments and both parties will now present their rejoinder arguments before the High Court. Body of Samir Mapari was found on 8 August 2007. The trial court had acquitted the accused Rajesh Dessai, Balesh Dessai and Vinay Dessai in this case. Prosecution arguments are focused on the circumstantial evidences.
Arguments in Samir Mapari murder case before the High Court are in the final stage and may conclude to reserve its order this week. During the hearing, prosecution mainly focused to prove the charges against accused Rajesh Dessai, Balesh Dessai and Vinay Dessai by presenting circumstantial evidences. Prosecution stated that victim Samir Mapari was working for Rajesh Dessai. Samir Mapari knew the wrongdoings of the accused. Hence, Samir wanted to leave his job. Rajesh Dessai, Balesh Dessai and Vinay Dessai killed Samir Mapari as the trio accused had a fear that Samir might expose them after leaving the job. Defense side, while arguing, alleged that the police had fabricated evidences and framed them in this case. The High Court also verified the iron channel and marble plate with which dead body of Samir was found tied. Defense advocate contended that police is suspecting the accused because Similar marble plates were found from the farmhouse of the accused. Defense advocate further contended that marble plate found with the body is different from the marble plate seized from the farmhouse. Prosecution is likely to present its final rejoinder arguments on Monday. On 8 August 2007, a very decomposed body was found from Zuari River at Shiroda, and Samir Mapari's family identified the body as of Samir's body. Goa police charged Rajesh Dessai, Balesh Dessai and Vinay Dessai for killing Samir Mapari, but Additional Sessions Court, Madgaon, in its judgment acquitted all three accused. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Some unknown persons desecrated the Holy Cross at Gorwati, Nuve. Sides of the cross have been damaged. Residents of Gorwati have condemned the act. They say the cross was damaged on Saturday. A resident of Gorwati have reported the matter to Maina Kurtori police.
The offerist आमगे न्हू ऑफरीच वाटसुऱ्यांचो ऑफरीच सोमेस्तांक गेलो आनी आज दूख भोगता हे फुरसा हे भाशेन करप म्हणली जाल्यार आमकां गरटकारांक कित्याक ऑफरीच आमकां सांबाळ कोता कित्याक एका म्हयन्याक 3 अपघात जाल्ले हे सुवाती आनी ऑफरीत बांदीतसून ते अपघात पयस जाल्ले हांव नाका म्हणचे हे फुरसा कोणा हें जालें तें आनी हे भाशेन करपा कितें कारण तें खबर ना पूण आमी सगळे भाव आमी गरटकार देवा भेटयताय
केदो कळ्ळें तुमकां हें जालें म्हणून
ते काल सकाळीं कळ्ळें मिसावीत ते दोन मारी जाल्यार चोयल्या हें
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.